Ooh, we have this fancy phone here. I think it'll look great in the microwave. Look how fancy it is with tons of buttons. It's got big screen on it. I'm sure it'll go great in the fancy sharp carousel microwave. So fancy. Ooh, the fancy phone's rotating. It's not really doing anything, it's just sitting there. Ooh, I think it's smoking a little bit. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's sparking now. Ooh, so entertaining. So fun. Ooh. Oh, looks like it's done. Let's open it up to see what it looks like. Ah, nice fiery flames. Could roast a marshmallow in there. I don't know how that fancy phone can be so flammable. Didn't say anything about microwave proof. Didn't get the warranty on this fancy phone. Ooh. Ooh, the phone got nice and crisp. Screen looks so good. Wow, nice and steamy. Sure, it's safe to touch. Mmm. What a great phone. This makes me want to microwave all my phones now. Yum. Look at this fancy, glassy, melted plastic mess. Ooh. Still works just fine. I don't know why it's not working. Battery just needs to be recharged.